Have you ever woken up in the morning, stretched out your arms, only to feel that sharp, grinding pain in your joints? Maybe it's in your knees, or perhaps it's your hands that feel stiff, swollen and uncooperative. If you're over 60, chances are you know exactly what I'm talking about, the constant discomfort of arthritis. But what if I told you there's one simple change you can make starting today that could help eliminate that pain? And the best part? It's something natural. No prescriptions, no pricey treatments, just something you can eat every single day to feel real relief. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to reveal a natural remedy that could change your life. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now you might be wondering, what is this magical solution? Could it really be that easy? Well, get ready to find out because I'm going to walk you through not only what you should start eating, but why it works, the science behind it, and how you can start incorporating it into your life. You won't believe the results. First, let's talk about what's going on in your body. Arthritis isn't just an occasional ache or pain. For many people over 60, it's a daily struggle. Arthritis comes in many forms, but osteoarthritis is by far the most common, especially as we age. Years of wear and tear on our joints eventually lead to the breakdown of cartilage, leaving bones to rub against one another. That grinding, that inflammation, that pain, it's all part of the body's reaction to joint damage. But here's the thing. While the damage to your joints might seem irreversible, the pain doesn't have to be permanent. What you eat, the food you fuel your body with, can either add to the inflammation or help calm it down. Think about it. Your body is like a machine, and food is its fuel. The wrong fuel can cause breakdowns, but the right fuel can repair and restore. That's why today I'm going to show you how a simple dietary shift can ease arthritis pain and even help restore your joint health. Imagine waking up in the morning without that familiar stiffness. Imagine being able to move freely again, to bend, to walk, and to do the things you love without that constant nagging pain. It's possible, and it all starts with what's on your plate. To really understand how this works, we need to talk about inflammation, the silent enemy behind arthritis pain. When your body senses damage, it sends out an army of white blood cells and inflammatory chemicals to the affected area. It's your body's natural defense system, but in arthritis, it can go into overdrive. Instead of just healing, the inflammation sticks around, making your joints swell, stiffen and ache. Think about inflammation like a fire. A small fire is manageable, even helpful at times, like when your body is healing from a minor injury. But when the fire rages out of control, it starts to burn everything in its path, including healthy tissues. In the case of arthritis, that fire is burning in your joints day after day. The inflammation builds up, causing more pain, more stiffness and more damage. And if left unchecked, it can make everyday tasks feel impossible. But what if there was a way to stop it? What if you could calm that inflammation from the inside out, simply by eating the right foods? It's not just about what medications you take, it's about what you feed your body. The right foods can act as a fire extinguisher, putting out the flames of inflammation and helping your body heal. That's where today's solution comes in. I'm going to reveal the natural anti-inflammatory food that has been used for centuries, and more importantly, show you how to use it in your everyday life to fight arthritis pain. But before we dive into the solution, let's talk about something crucial, what you need to stop eating first. Here's something most people don't realize. Some of the foods you're eating right now might be making your arthritis worse. That's right, there are certain foods that, while they may seem harmless, are actually adding fuel to the fire of inflammation in your body. So before we get to the food you should be eating, let's talk about the foods you need to avoid. First up, sugar. Now, I know sugar is everywhere. It's in your coffee creamer, your breakfast cereal, even in foods you wouldn't expect, like salad dressings and sauces. But sugar is one of the biggest contributors to inflammation. When you eat sugar, your body processes it quickly, spiking your blood sugar levels. This causes your body to release insulin, and with insulin comes inflammation. And it's not just sweets. Refined carbohydrates, think white bread, pastries and pasta, behave similarly in the body. These refined carbs break down into sugar almost instantly and cause the same inflammatory response. If you're over 60, your body has a harder time processing these carbs, which can lead to increased pain and stiffness in your joints. But we're not done yet. Let's talk about processed meats. Bacon, sausage, hot dogs. They're convenient and tasty, but they're loaded with chemicals like nitrates and preservatives that have been shown to increase inflammation. These foods might taste good in the moment, but they're wreaking havoc on your joints in the long run. So, here's the takeaway. If you want to reduce arthritis pain, start by cutting back on these inflammation-promoting foods. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. In just a moment, I'm going to reveal the natural anti-inflammatory food that can turn things around for you. All right, we've covered the bad stuff. Now let's talk about the good. The food I'm about to reveal has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and recent studies have confirmed its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This simple yet miraculous food is none other than turmeric. Yes, you heard that right. Turmeric, that bright yellow spice you might already have in your kitchen, could be your secret weapon against arthritis. But why turmeric? Well, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents found in nature. Research has shown that curcumin blocks the molecules responsible for inflammation, providing relief from joint pain and even slowing down the progression of arthritis. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body. Think of it like a gatekeeper, stopping the chemicals that cause inflammation from wreaking havoc in your joints. Studies have shown that people who incorporate turmeric into their daily diet experience a significant reduction in arthritis pain and improved joint function. But here's the thing. Turmeric is more than just a trendy spice. When used correctly, it can have a profound effect on reducing arthritis pain. So how do you start using turmeric in your daily life? The best part about turmeric is that it's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Here are some of my favorite ways to start using turmeric daily. Turmeric tea. This is one of the easiest ways to get your daily dose of turmeric. Simply boil a cup of water, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of black pepper to increase absorption, and a little honey for taste. Drink it in the morning, and you've started your day with an arthritis fighting boost. Golden milk. If you're a fan of warm, comforting drinks before bed, golden milk is perfect for you. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm milk, almond milk, coconut milk, or regular milk, and add a pinch of black pepper and cinnamon. Not only does it reduce inflammation, but it also promotes better sleep. Turmeric in meals. You can add turmeric to just about anything. Sprinkle it on your scrambled eggs, mix it into soups or stews, or toss it with roasted vegetables. The flavour is mild, and you'll hardly notice it, but your joints will definitely feel the difference. The key here is consistency. Adding turmeric to your diet every day can have a cumulative effect, gradually reducing inflammation and joint pain over time. But turmeric isn't the only food that can help. Now, while turmeric is the star of the show, there are other foods that you can add to your daily routine to supercharge your fight against arthritis. Let's go over a few of the best ones. Ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory that works similarly to turmeric. It can be used in teas, smoothies, or added to stir-fries and soups. Plus, it has a delicious spicy kick that enhances any dish. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines have been proven to reduce inflammation in the body. Try to include these fish in your diet at least twice a week to support joint health. Berries, blueberries, strawberries and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Add them to your breakfast or enjoy them as a snack for a sweet arthritis-fighting boost. Leafy greens, spinach, kale and collard greens are rich in nutrients like vitamin E, which helps protect your joints from damage. Incorporate these greens into salads, smoothies or side dishes to give your body the nutrients it needs to heal. By combining these foods with turmeric, you'll create a powerful natural defense against arthritis pain. But there's more to managing arthritis than just food. Now, while changing your diet is a huge step in the right direction, there are a few other lifestyle changes that can make a big difference in managing arthritis. Let's quickly touch on some of the most effective ones. Exercise. It might sound counterintuitive, but regular movement is essential for reducing arthritis pain. Low-impact exercises like swimming, walking and yoga can help keep your joints flexible and strengthen the muscles around them. Weight management. If you're carrying extra weight, even a small reduction can take a lot of pressure off your joints, especially your knees and hips. Aim for a healthy weight to ease the burden on your joints. Stress management. Believe it or not, stress can make arthritis symptoms worse. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even a relaxing hobby can help reduce stress and, in turn, reduce inflammation. Combine these lifestyle changes with your new anti-inflammatory diet, and you'll be setting yourself up for success in the battle against arthritis. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick story that illustrates just how powerful these changes can be. I heard from a woman in her late 60s who had been suffering from arthritis for years. She was skeptical, but she decided to try incorporating turmeric into her daily routine. After just a few weeks, she noticed a dramatic reduction in pain, and now she feels more mobile and active than she has in years. So what are you waiting for? You have the knowledge, and now it's time to take action. Start adding turmeric to your daily diet, along with other anti-inflammatory foods, and see how it transforms your arthritis pain. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. I'd love to hear your success stories in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.